But the point of this stream, I'm going to be day trading Asia session, since right here it is, what is it, 8:05. So I guess that session, yeah, the good move of that session started 5 minutes ago. Okay, I'm gonna go on these higher time frames, finding my bias. It looks like it wants to keep going up. 4 hour, the 4 hour's not clean. It does look like it wants to keep going up. Same for the 2 hour. It's like really messed up though. It might just be better if I just don't trade, but yeah, the 1 hour looks like it wants to go up. 30-minute, yep. 15-minute looks pretty bullish. Same for the 5-minute. We get a huge candle right here. But I guess I wouldn't say that's a liquidity sweep. This right here is. This definitely is. And then Asia session, yep, started then. What is this? Oh, okay. New York PM. So we've already swept New York PM. What it could do, it could go up, and then since it's already swept, it could be trying to sell off. But I don't know. I mean, we are just a few minutes into like the big session open. This right here. Got this 1 minute order block. It's the same. 1 minute fair value gap. So what we could do, we could wait for it to come back down, then come up and get this high again. Maybe. This equilibrium. Yep, so they're both within equilibrium. Bro, that's still crazy. I got my first, what is it, chat? That's crazy. Yeah, that looks like it's what it wants to do. While I'm waiting for that, I'm just gonna show me a little bit of a better bias here. Dude, it's so hot in my room. Yeah, I mean, this part right here is pretty bullish. Daily, 4 hour. What it could have done, it could have had a really choppy like sell off. But I'm actually like really hoping to win, since this morning I lost what, 300 in 10 seconds. I lost $300 in 10 seconds. Yeah, that was disappointing. Ooh. What we could have here is a liquidity sweep right there. Then price would want to, never mind, whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can make this a little bit cleaner. I don't know, I feel like that's still kind of messy. put it this. That didn't do anything. Here we go. There we go. I feel like that's kind of cleaner. But this liquidity sweep, hold on. I want to see if I can fix this. This one. No, that's just... I'm trying to figure out a replacement for this. I guess like there isn't. I guess there is this one. That's that liquidity sweep. I don't know if that's level. Is it? Yeah. Okay. So it looks like he wants to just keep going up. But what I do want, I want a retracement. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing really much else to like trade off of here. There's this 1 minute inverse. There's that. What else? There's this right here. Now, just kind of to keep it clean, I'm gonna move this. There we go. Oh my gosh. Honestly, while I'm waiting for that, I might just back test. How many people do I have? Oh, 0. Liquidity sweep right here. Well, let's check the bias. That's bullish. Oh, that actually might be bearish. Cause where is it? This right here. It's coming up. And in my experience, it usually just wants to keep going back down. And that's kind of what's showing here. So, dude, that's still for my support and resistance. Support and resistance does not work forecast. Yeah, bro. Support and resistance. That doesn't work at all. I've done it for like 2 years, and I've wasted all 2 years of it. In the last like 6 months, I've been working on this. What is it? ICT concepts or something? And it's working out great. So we swept out London lows. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for that retracement here. Oh, it looks like we already had it. That fair value gap's already filled. So I could honestly trade either three of these if price does return back into it. There we go. So yeah, that's bullish. 15 minutes bullish. Or no, 5 minute. 15 minute is. Hold on. Oh, technically. I guess that counts, but technically it is bullish. Since we did not have that close below. This, technically bearish. Hourly is that's just chop. 2 hour bullish, 4 hour bullish. Or wait, let me do this. It could be trying to bounce off of this order block right up here. So what I'm gonna do, here we go. Okay. Is that an entry though? I don't know if that's like a good entry for me back there. Okay. This. No, not good enough. I'd honestly rather miss the move than not have a good entry. This is confusing because it is kind of giving me that like bigger wicks. Ooh. Yeah, I think right here, I'm gonna enter right here. I'm gonna have it below this low. Ooh, I might want to extend that actually. There we go. So let's do like a 1 to 3. Okay, so it is a little bit risky with this. I don't even know what that is, but it's not a big thing. So I'm doing 10% just because it's fake. Take profit. Hold on. Take profit. 6 5 1 2 9 1 6 4 9 4 9 5. Yep. The first few minutes are always stressful. Hold on. This next candle is going to stop me out. Yeah, this, oh my gosh, this actually has me so nervous, even though it's fake money. Okay. Now I'm a little bit mad. So now I'm waiting for a doji or a break of structure. Dang, bro, still 0. I didn't even post it up on my story. I meant to. So I think for this, I'm gonna try and catch like a long, since this is, what is it, Asia session. Yeah, I think that's my plan. So if it gives me like say a doji right here, I do want to have a healthy stop loss. So I want to go for like a 1 to 2 point, yeah, 2.5. That's if it gives me a doji. And on this, what is that? I'm still up a good bit. I'm up about double on that account. It's already in equilibrium. Yeah, if this candle here has a big wick, I'm gonna enter off of that. Doesn't look like it. I gotta still test if my mic is working. Whoa. Hold on, whoa. Well, I told myself I was gonna enter, so I guess, yeah. Make it a little bit tighter there. 742, buy. Is it gonna answer me? Is it gonna enter me? Dude, did it just not enter me? Do I enter again? Bro, do I enter? Hold on. I think I enter again. Yo, yeah. Cause that was what was it? 7574.2. Nope. Too much, I guess. Yeah, it was because my margin. Okay. Oh my gosh. There we go. Entered in. Oh my gosh. That was so like unnecessarily stressful. This take profit shouldn't. Where is my take profit? Dude, no. What? What is going on? Hold on. Dude, how do I fix this? Okay, whatever. All of my take profits, yeah. 6.38, 6.3. Okay. 6.3, okay. That's weird. It should be way more than this. Yeah, that should be way more. Honestly, I might could close and re-enter, but I'm not gonna do that. I should be making what, like 700 instead of 400. Doesn't matter. I mean, I'm supposed to be making like 700 on this trade, but I mean, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna win this anyway, so why does it, really matter? Okay, so I finally learned about that management thing, about this, or margin, sorry, it's margin. What if I just... No, I want a stop loss. Okay. Oh, it thinks, oh. Did I put 200 instead of 300? I think that I did, yeah. That's okay. Dude, come on. Okay, so I lost 500 total today. Yep, 326 and 191. What did I do wrong? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back because I got some things to do. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna post a recap, and you guys can see that on my TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. It's all gonna be up, but oh well. I'm gonna let price play out how it wants to, and I'll figure out what I did wrong from there. But yeah.